I found the cheapest and fastest way to get Netflix subscription, and I'm going to show you how you can do it too. How this method works, it's a sharing method. Like many other services, Netflix lets you have 5 profiles per user. What I used to do for buying services like this or Spotify, ExpressVPN was asking 4 more of my friends who wanted the same thing, and I would share the account with them. Instead of paying $15 per month for a VPN, I would just pay $3 per month. But what about Netflix, Disney+, Spotify, ChatGPT, and other services? You can do it for them, but if you use the method I show you, you don't need to worry about finding friends. This can be fixed easily by using GamsGo. They do all the things in the background with a 24/7 support team, so you don't need to find people for that. There's also a promo code that I give you now, and if you use it, you get a 5% more discount for Netflix and 2% discount for other services. How to buy and use GamsGo. Simply click the link in the description or the comments below and enter the website. After that, select Login, enter your email, and wait for the verification code. Enter the code and log in. Now I choose Netflix for one screen, of course, and you save 46%. If you go for 12 months, you can save up to 56%. I select 1 month here, and in the promo code, enter RRCMX. Apply, and you'll get a 5% more discount. After that, you can select a method to pay as you wish. If you go to 12 months with the code, you can get it only for 35.88 euros, which is excellent. After your purchase, you can go to the subscription page and see the account information and password here. Also, my profile number is number 4, so you must select the correct profile number on Netflix. Open Netflix on any device you like and select Sign In. Enter the email address they gave you and the password. After signing in, I selected profile number 4, which was for me, this one, and bam! Congrats! You can use Netflix as always without any issues. Even though the video was recorded previously and the site's appearance has had minor changes, the procedure is exactly the same. After logging into the site, search for the name of the desired service, for example Netflix, and follow the rest of the steps according to the previous tutorials. Don't forget the promo code, which is RRCMX, and the link is also below. It supports the channel.